Hello and welcome to Flores Online. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the consequences of flipping NFTs. If you're new here, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We'll talk about common mistakes people make while flipping and how many individuals are truly making money from it. This video is also crucial to watch since there is a common myth that by merely joining the NFTs, people would immediately start making money and become billionaires. This isn't correct. Flipping is a term used to describe the process of purchasing items at low prices and quickly selling them for a profit. It's been around for a long time, dating back to the days when people made money by flipping trading cards, toys, and comic books, and it's now experiencing a massive uptick in the NFT space. Only valuable objects can be flipped, and NFTs have shown that they are valuable, attracting investors from all over the world. You could choose to invest in high-volume NFT initiatives for speedier profits in addition to owning Bitcoin and altcoins for the long term, or making and collecting tokenized art. Although dangerous, flipping NFTs is a quick way to boost the value of your portfolio. As we will see today, flipping can be rewarding, but it can also be incredibly dangerous. It can be simple to hold a work of digital art that is rapidly increasing in value. When the floor price of a collection you acquired in pre-sale continues to rise every day, that can be a great feeling, especially when you watch it reaching a new floor price on a daily basis. Choosing when to sell can be a challenging task. Couldn't you just wait a few more days and the price would be double next week? Is it possible that it will simply crash tomorrow? Maybe, perhaps not. What are the chances? What factors may you consider when deciding whether or not to sell a certain NFT piece? Let's get started. The kind of personality or mindset that you have has an impact. These are some of the questions you should ask yourself from a different perspective. Which do you think you'd be more regretful about? Would you be sorry if you sold too soon and saw the price skyrocket? Or would you be sorry if you waited too long and saw the price plummet? When dealing with this, especially in investments, think long and hard to discover your personality and the best option for your mental wellness. Now let's get down to business. There is a lot of knowledge and new tools coming out these days to aid everyone in the NFT space. Using them to assist with project research is a good idea, but it's not a guaranteed way to make money in the field. There was a report conducted by Chain Analysis called the 2021 NFT Market Explained. They were able to develop a complete analysis using data from OpenSea and public blockchain transactions, revealing some surprising insights into the crypto market. This report includes the amount of money that has entered the market so far in 2021. The report states that according to the research, at least $26.9 billion in crypto has been sent to ERC-721 and ERC-1155 contracts in 2021. Both of these NFT contract types are widely used in the market today. The 2021 NFT Market Explained was the title of a report published by Chain Analysis. They were able to compile a complete study using data from OpenSea and public blockchain transactions, which showed some surprising insights into the Bitcoin business. This report includes the amount of money that has entered the market so far in 2021. So far in 2021, at least $26.9 billion in Bitcoin has been sent to ERC-721 and ERC-1155 contracts, according to the research. Both of these NFT contract kinds are widely used in today's industry. They go into extensive depth regarding the relative amounts of retail purchasers and investment money in the market, as well as other details like the average price of NFT transactions, making it an intriguing paper worth reading for yourself. Regardless, the important statistics we'll be looking at here is how often people profit from NFT flipping, and the information they were able to gather and collect is fascinating. The review showed two things about flipping. NFTs purchased during a mint and subsequently sold only made a profit 28.5% of the time. Furthermore, 78% of non-whitelisted users lose money on resale, and 59% lose less than 0.5% of their initial investment. If they are not whitelisted, 4 out of 5 people will lose money during an NFT drop. According to these numbers, the vast majority of people who resell NFTs lose money or make no money at all after minting and selling a new NFT project. That means that just 2 out of every 8 persons who flip NFTs make money. According to the research, anyone who purchases a new NFT and then attempts to resell it will almost surely lose money. More NFTs will be produced as the NFT space becomes more popular, and the chances of people earning through NFT flipping will only reduce as the supply expands. We've been led to believe that investing in NFTs is a guaranteed way to make money, but this couldn't be further from the reality. Also, in order to earn a profit, some people would sell at any price that is higher than the amount they paid for it, which might lower the project's floor price and eventually ruin it if time is not taken. Now, how can you make money from flipping NFTs? Returning to the report, let's evaluate how flipping NFTs can boost a person's profit potential. According to the research, if you acquire NFTs on the secondary market from other users and then sell them, you'll make a profit 65% of the time. This is a far greater return on investment than minting new NFTs and then selling them. Furthermore, whitelisted buyers profit on 78% of their transactions, with 51% getting a return on investment of at least 2 times the amount they invested. When someone is whitelisted for an NFT project, they will make a profit 78% of the time, which is a tremendous boost in the probability of making a profit when compared to unwhitelisted purchasers. When you get whitelisted for a new NFT project or acquire an NFT at OpenSea, you have a better chance of making money by flipping NFTs because the data is simplified. If you're not clear what whitelisting implies, it basically means that your status on the NFT project is guaranteed. Whitelisting is a popular practice in many NFT projects, and it's a great approach to assure that those who are engaged in the community and have finished particular assigned tasks and games will be included in the new NFT project. Before investing in a certain NFT on the spur of the moment, you should conduct a lot of research. The background of the artists or team members engaged is the strongest indicator of a project's long-term success. When it comes to collections, it's critical to consider the people who founded the business. Developers, artists, and industry influencers are common members of a team. What is each of these people's track record, you might wonder? Do they have a good reputation? As long as they've been active in the field for a while, a person's online identity is fine. When evaluating independent artists, look at their artistic education and consistency across time, previous sales volume, and collaborations. It is impossible to fake fans, reputation, or background in any way. Some people have made a lot of money in the NFT space, but that will not be the case for most people, so keep that in mind and have a realistic grasp of what NFTs are and what they are supposed to be. A great number of people are entering the NFT space, which is a positive development, but in order to prevent disappointment, people should enter with reasonable expectations rather than unrealistic expectations. Please share your opinions with us in the comments section below if you come across anything interesting. If you want to be kept up to date on various NFT news and analysis, then click on the notification bell to be alerted when I release my next video. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and see you in the next video.